This is Brian again. Now, you notice that in my voice there is a cold, but I wanted to show you a quick video on how we do it in my home with my wife. Now, behind the camera is our elder son, Njuba Brennan. He's trying to help us make this wonderful video for you wonderful people. Now, basically what my wife does when we have a cold or flu at home, she prepares some things as I'm going to show you. Now basically, right now as you can see here, she has lemons. So what she basically does, she cuts them up, trying to cut them up without taking off the peels. So the peels are left on, such that we get that citric from the peels. Remember what these peels, they have a lot of citric. So citric is very, very wonderful. Now, what she basically does is to cut them up, then put them in a saucepan, the local way. So you don't have to have a lot of things to use to make this remedy for cough and other infections that basically affect the throat. Now, what she does again, she gets ginger. You can use fresh ginger, but she's using the powdered one because it is easy to store. So she's getting like half a teaspoon and then putting in the lemon. She first added the ginger, and now she has added the garlic. Now remember, when you're making this mixture, you don't have to have a lot of things. So the third thing or the fourth thing is called cayenne pepper. So she's going to add a bit of cayenne pepper. So she's adding around half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And so basically the next step is to put it on a flame for 15 minutes. So what basically she's going to do, she's going to put it on a flame, a low flame, for 15 minutes. So basically what you get after that is a remedy for cough and flu. Now after boiling it, oh by the way, remember to add water in the mix. So when you put the lemon, you have added the ginger, and then the garlic, and then the cayenne pepper. Don't forget to add water and then put it on a low flame for 15 minutes. So basically that is what we use at in our home for the remedy for the cough. It is very fast and effective, so you don't have to have a lot of things to make this wonderful remedy. And then when it cools down, just get a teaspoon and then add a bit of honey. So this is organic honey. Remember, in my last videos I taught you how you can tell if the honey is good or if it is not good. So you basically have to pour it on your fingernail. If it doesn't slide off, it is wonderful honey. So basically what she will do, she will boil it or cook it for 15 minutes, and then when it cools down, she will add some honey and share it with all of us at home. So it's basically something simple you can do in your home to have a healthy life. Don't wait for coughs to attack you. Just be taking it once in a week or twice a week, and everything will be very, very wonderful. It is Njuba Brian. Have a blessed day. Bye.